Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your logos transparent on CapCut PC. So if your logo looks like mine and you only want to, actually let's just mask this first because there shouldn't be like kind of like a background here. So let's just try to round the edges. Perfect. And I only actually want either the black or the white part. So go to video, go to basic. If you only want the black part of the logo, go to blend mode and select the darken one, and it will remove the white background as you can see and leave the black sort of. Did not do good. Whoops. Okay, there we go. As you can see, remove the white part of the logo. But if you only want the white part, just either select brighten or screen. And as you can see, it removed the black area. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the links button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!